Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to use the voice commands on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you are saying, hey PlayStation, and your PlayStation doesn't respond, this could be because by default your voice commands are turned off. So on the home screen of the PlayStation, let's go up to the top to settings right here and select this option. Then go to voice commands under this screen. So here we have a new option called voice command preview. So let's select this. Now enable the voice commands. Use your voice to find and open games, control media, and more. So once this is checkmarked, this will pop up. It says voice command preview is an ever learning assistant that gets smarter every time you use it. Enable it now and try it out. So step 1, say, hey PlayStation. Number 2, say, what can you do for me? 3, have fun. So let's go ahead and enable it. Then here are some things that the voice commands can do. So you can open up games. You can say open game name like Call of Duty Modern Warfare, open YouTube, or go to the home screen, or go home. Then you can search for games, search for apps. Then you can control the media. So you can say resume, pause, fast forward, play, etc. So if you're watching Netflix or something, you can easily fast forward it. So let's go to got it. So then we have listen for hey PlayStation. When this feature is disabled, you can still control the voice command by selecting voice from the control center. So I can uncheck mark this, and you can see the voice command in the upper left is working as I talk. So now that I have this on checkmark, when I say, hey PlayStation, nothing will pop up. But you can still use the voice commands by pressing the PlayStation button, then going to the control center. Now this option isn't here by default, so you have to press the options button on your controller. Then here are the hidden controls. So find voice right here. Operate your voice with the PS5. So let's move this up to the top so we can select it. Now, go to voice and press this button down. Open up Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Here are some matches. Which one do you want?
So if it doesn't know what to go ahead and specifically open up, it'll give you a bunch of matches.
I can't find any results.
So from there, you would want to go ahead and say 1. Open up Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Here are some matches. Which one do you want?
1.
Okay.
And now Call of Duty Modern Warfare has been opened up. So there's 2 different ways you can open up. Saying, hey PlayStation, if you have this check mark, or going to the voice command right here. Then you have additional options like speech speed, speech volume, response time. If you want to participate in our feedback program, you can check mark this right here. Or you can go to learn more. So the voice commands kind of work if you say the name correctly. And I can see this getting a little bit better in the future, but right now it seems like it's just quicker just to specifically press the home button and then go to the game or app. However, if you have to go to like the game library and then search for your game, that could take a little bit longer, and just saying hey PlayStation or going to the voice command button could be a little bit quicker in that regard. Instead of scrolling through all your collections here, I have around 450 games on my PlayStation just in my collection, so it could be a little bit longer just to search for all those. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.